at Dog Who
For the
Films.
white ones, you're generally just going to see the English style, show style dogs, and with the fox red, like more the field lines, right? In other words, this is a hunting dog and this is a show dog.
That's why Loki has a wide head, hammocks as thighs, and a thicker body.
Okay, get water. Hey! I got a treat. Come. Up here. Oh, treat! Come on. Up right here. Come on. There you go. Good boy.